It has come to our attention that false information has been shared regarding our investigation into Nemesis. We assure you that our extensive and ongoing tests prove that she poses no danger to the public. And as a gesture of our unshakable confidence, we invite you to view our latest discovery and to learn more about how we are creating a secure future for generations to come at the newly recommissioned Phalanx Research Facility.
For your own sake, please obey all instructions given to you.
What's going on here, guys?
Everything is under
I've got asthma.
For your own sake, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives. Everything is under control. For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives. Everything is under control. For your own safety,
We're still
please
waiting on the
obey all
electrician.
instructions given to you by the Phalanx.
I think that's below the minimum wage.
We apologize for that
Yeah, no problem.
brief interruption. I can assure you that everything is as it should be and is completely under control. And without further ado, it gives me great pride to announce the Phalanx Research Facility.
Train monorail, then there'll be
Open.
cross-line trains.
Please continue and enter as usual. And I repeat once again, everything is completely under control. Thank you.
This includes mobile phones.
We need a picture of that if we can.
Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Excuse me, please.
Oh, he's good.
Oh, I love that.